Hi there, everyone. This is
exclusive hotdog.
Hi, it's me again. Today we can do an awesome new Lego that I bought today. It's so awesome. I will show you the back now. The back is kind of cool. There's 16 bags in a box. And there's some awesome pieces. And then there's a Lego. And there's a kind of Lego. What is this like? But it's over here. But you cannot see it good. But when I make it, you might see it good. The things were started. So now, let's open the box. Are you ready? Let's go. I get the scissors. Now let's go and open this awesome box. See how I didn't let you open it. So now let's take the bag in it. Wow! I got the six box and the 6 bags. Oh, here we are. The substance was substance. Oh my God! Look at that. And there's more than 1,000. Look. Okay, so now I get the 6 again. Oh, 9. 9 is 6. Now I get the number 1, 2, 4. Oh, the people are inside. So now we got 7. Listen, now I got 13. Now I got 1,000 of boxes. Okay, that is 1,000 of more. Then put this box in. And now this starts. By the way, it's so weird that I have 1,000 something, 1,000 of small. I see that. And 1,000 of Lego bags. Don't be kidding me with those, man. But now, let's start. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Hi. OMG. Oh, these bags. I mean, that is for my brother and sister. Let me call them. My sister, brother, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. You want to put it in? Now let's do. I'm going to do number 1. I'm going to do number 2. Or I'm going to do number 3. And now let's do it. Now I've been doing all this Now this Lego shop, I know, but before that, I show you something. It can open and I put some things inside. And like 2 Lego boxes in one thing that it can put the cars. Now he's gonna go change his color. Now here is the cool choo-choo train waiting. Obviously, we did not do the choo-choo train. Now let's go here. Here where the cars changes tire and fix. And look what did that. Hey, what's wrong? What's wrong? Okay, look. That and that. And they gotta fix this car because there are tools. And here inside there's a man waiting for a car to come. And he's waiting for him. And here is the Lego shop. Then show you inside. Now here we have all the Legos. I did that. And I will show you around. And look at that. It's standing by itself. And the door can open and close. And these 2 people, I mean, they're not people, but they look like, they are pretending that they are Legos. And now let's go to these. Now this is his car, the man. And this is his dog or somebody's dog. And here we are the hot dog shop who buys hot dog. And he is the man. And that little girl is taking a shot. Whatever is that. Let's go to the pizza man. Here's a pizza man. Now, somebody wants to buy pizza. But, not now. We make a stick of Lego. But in any day you do it. Okay guys, so now let's go and copy the rest. Bye bye. More than 8 hours. How can you believe it? Oh my God. More than 8 hours. What about this thing? No way. Look at that. That's a cool choo-choo train. And now I see closely in it. And now I gotta go down. And I'm gonna go up again. 1, 2, 3, go up! Woohoo! Yeah! Now I'm gonna show you this one. Is a hot dog shop. Well, I think it's in the middle of name. And this little kid is buying a hot dog. And the man, he's cooking this hot dog. And then he'll have a pizza man. Look at the pizza, and here's a pizza man. How cool is it, right? Now here I have a coffee shop, and this man, he's buying a coffee. Sometimes not only coffee, sometimes juices for the little kids. I think coffees and juices. This is a service center that he can clean cars, this is tires, and this is a helicopter, and a man is driving. And I think I just pretend there's a speaker. Now he's not going, and here's a kind of weird thing. This card goes here, and then you know what? This way can fix, and when you do like that, it goes way up. And we're not in the sky, until here or here. Okay, and now just pretend there's a two. Now it's fixed. Now he's going to change his tires. Bing! Now change his tires. Ding! Ding! It's a service car who brings the cars in the center. And this one, go back and go straight. Know what is holding it? Wait, I'll show you. What is it? It is from a hook. The Captain Hook. This is a hook. So I put this hook here. Okay. Then now this car needs to go fixing. So he will put this car in, and there's a man. Okay, the man is he went to make coffee. And now there's got the second one. Now this little girl needs to make it soft. She came to the door, it's because she came. Wow, look at that, all these Legos. There's some Legos here, one Legos here. But this little girl's looking here first. She knows, there's some these. So she wants this Lego. Now, this little girl pretends she's holding it. She does pay for the bag. Okay. She has this. And then she's gonna go back home. Now we have a Lego truck. This man brings two Legos. And I'm sorry, from the back it opens. And these two Legos go inside, and he takes them out. And then he put them here. Okay, and pretend the Lego stuff is here. He got his car. Bing bong, bing bong. Then we go to Lego stuff. Now this is a train station. A little boy is getting newspaper. But now he does reading like that. And a mom and an auntie, whatever, is going like that. And they're waiting for the station, these three. And here it goes. Here it is. I built it. Imagine I built it. And this is a cool, awesome. And here, where I put our bikes in. And this can open. And that too. And if they want to sit down, the people, these can also open. The same thing as the back. And here, so now this is the man. Now they're here. They stand up. And let the boy look. Thank you for watching. In next video, we gotta do something. Bye bye. wooden.